cold, no? Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning, and we are on our way to, I have no idea where. Vicente wanted to get out of the house. He asked me to put his shoes on and let's go somewhere. I said, where? He said, let's put my shoes on and go somewhere. So I have no idea what it is that we're gonna do today. He is technically getting over a cold, so his mom's gonna be furious at me that we're running the streets, but like every Vicente does, we run them streets. So there are no movies out. There's nowhere that I could take him to go do something kid oriented that isn't out in the wilderness, like even SeaWorld. I could probably go to SeaWorld, but it's gonna be flipping freezing. So why go all the way out there? What could we do? What could we do? What could we do? We could go to Gyps. I guess he could play at Gyps. Let me hit up my brother, see if he wants to go to... I forgot. Empty, light, camera, gas station first. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Put them on. Oh yeah. Thanks for throwing it in the car, dude. Oh yeah, put them on, put them on. Oh yeah, now you have two, huh? Nice. Now you have Bumblebee and Optimus Prime. Dope. So me and Vicente are having lunch in the coolest spot. I'm gonna show you guys that spot. We're not having the best thing, but Vicente wasn't feeling so well, so exactly. So I just decided to give him what he wanted. Look it. Come on, it's starting to rain. Hurry, hurry. Oh shoot. Oh man, damn it. Hurry. Oh no, I'm gonna get wet. Oh no, look at this. This is why this is bad for birds. This is why they shouldn't do that.
It's water.
Yeah, they gotta be careful. People gotta be careful. It's water? It's raining. I didn't know it was gonna start raining, dude. Sorry, my bad. Come on. I'm getting wet still and the windows are open to the car. What happened? Wanna take it off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Like that?
No.
Look at it. I was about to film us throwing rocks in the water, and then all of a sudden it started raining out of nowhere, and there was nothing I could do but try to get Vicente inside. I knew that I should have been here because we were just gonna chill out and have lunch and let him look at the water. He loves the water. And then it started raining when we went outside to go throw the trash out. I let him stretch his legs, and then we were throwing rocks into the water. I had one camera angle, then you seen I moved it to another camera angle, and then that's when I picked up my camera and said, it's starting to rain, let's go inside the car. And then I was like, damn, I wanted to film Vicente throwing rocks because he was getting excited when I would hit the water and then when he would make it to the bottom of the rocks. What are you gonna do? Nature hits us again. At least Vicente has already been sick and getting over it, and I am likely to be getting sick pretty soon.
No, I
Yep, what are you gonna do with that one? Oops, I'm not even pushing the right button to stop recording.